I want to say a great big hello to everybody. My name is Jay English, and I want to invite you to come hang with us this coming Wednesday night at 7 p.m. The multicultural leadership team of Kneel for Nine is coming together. We're going live on the Facebook page, and we're going to be sharing when we realized we were black, when we realized we were Hispanic, when we realized we were white. Because each of us have had different experiences that have taught us that there are people in this world that view you a certain way based on simply your skin color. So we want to talk about that a little bit, share some of our experiences. We want to invite you to join us, bring your questions. Let's engage in some conversation, have some laughs, but also learn a bit more about how we can bring change to this nation. So join us for Woke Wednesday this week, 7 p.m. Can't wait to see you there. Take care.